There's a bleak, lonely kind of beauty, an emptiness, for all its fullness, lonely to the core. My father says the river is like a living, breathing thing. It clears your head after a mad day at work. A giant metal swan, never moving, as the river effortlessly slides by.
A magnet fisher and a plastic dinghy, the willow swishing in the breeze. Not got anything out of the river today, mate. Nothing at all. Very quiet today.
Newark originally used to be a big brewing town. Most people forget that. Fab suit, mate. Did you make it yourself?
Sorry, I don't really know where the Trent is, mate. I think it's possibly down there, but I can't promise anything.
You look like you're from the last of the Mohicans, like a trader or trapper.
It's where everyone normally picnics on a hot Sunday. Lovely atmosphere.
My problem was I'm too nice for management, not corporate enough.
I was in a wheelchair when I came out, and I couldn't walk for 30 days.
I really miss getting on the water during lockdown. Keeps me sane.
I love it down here. It's great for wildlife. You get to see so much.
It's great for graffiti down here. No one cares about it.
The river's down there, mate. It's down there, not up on the bridge.
It just becomes this evil, swirling mass. You wouldn't stand a chance if you went in. You get sucked under. Ugh, it was making really strange burping noises in the queue at the cafe.
4 prats, totally blottoed, took a quad off the track, dragged it over the grass. Daft idiots ended up snapping the bows right off. Ruined it. We were litter picking and we rescued this baby duckling.